doing great. Okay, just keep
Okay,
going, become more and more. Okay.
okay, bro. Okay, now where are you now?
Right now at my shop, brother.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. I also saw your most of video. Now you are making very well video, bro. Your
Okay.
self video also you are making very well now.
Thank you very much, brother. Actually, I love to making a video. I'm passionate about. So
Yeah,
that's
yeah,
why reason I try to upload a one video and a
yeah,
new video like new topic, new thing, new story. I love it.
yeah. Okay, bro. Then how much subscribe do you have now?
Yeah, right now very few, brother. Like I'm a beginner. We can say recently I started my YouTube channel, so
Yeah,
I got a very few. Okay, but
yeah,
I could not share with you.
yeah. Okay.
Yeah. But anyway, like I got a subscriber 700 plus, like under the 1000. Okay, near
Okay, okay.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, and bro,
Tell
after
me.
long time, uh, 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 we will speaking now. You are speaking very well now, bro.
Thank you very much, brother. Thank you. Actually, see, before I told you, if you try to practice more and more, like video calling, audio calling, and
Yeah,
talking
yeah,
with, definitely you will get a fluency.
yes. Okay,
Depends on
bro.
practice, brother. Yeah.
Okay.
So what
And bro,
about
yeah, where are you from, bro? I forgot.
like I'm calling from Mumbai. My name is
Mumbai.
Samir.
Yeah. Okay. I remember now. Okay. What is your future plan after you will get a more subscriber?
Yeah, brother. If I get a more subscribers, then I will go with a YouTube platform. Okay. And second thing, if you talk about my real future, I mean my future plan, like I want to go abroad. This is YouTube, we can say like this is just a hobby and beside job we can say. But in
Oh,
future time, if I get a more success, okay, definitely I will accept permanently.
yeah.
So
Okay.
I'm working myself, brother. Right now, nowadays I'm working on YouTube also and working on myself like I'm searching a job. So beside,
Oh,
I'm doing do both job. Yeah.
okay. And bro, I want to ask one question. If bro, anyone you will give $1 million, what will you do?
If if unknown person give me like $1 million,
Yeah.
then first thing I will fulfill my dream. Like
Yeah.
I will try to first like make myself like whatever
Yeah.
I want. Then I will do. For example, I want to send my parents in Hajj travel, like in Saudi. Do you know Hajj travel?
Yeah. I know, bro.
Yeah, first thing I will send my parents over there. Then second thing I will try to start a business because obviously we have a lot of money. So we
Yeah.
are used. We can start a business. And third thing like whoever like we can say how to we can say, for example, someone asking help, Samir, please give me some amount, please give me some money, like then I will return back because my position is right now not good. So definitely
Yeah.
I will give a little bit, not more than. No anyone give more than nowadays. Okay,
Okay.
I will help
Okay.
or people also like my friend circle, my family, my relative. Definitely I will help. So
Okay.
this kind of brother I can spend. I will send all money like that. I will just expand in here,
Yeah.
start a business and fulfill my dream, send my parents in Hajj travel and help people like that. Yes.
Yeah. Okay, bro. And also, I heard in that place, Hutch, there is most of cloud. That's why most of person is injured there. I'm correct
Yeah.
in Hajj Yatra.
Uh-huh.
Hello.
Yeah, brother, tell me what you're talking about.
Yeah, bro. In Hajj Yatra, there is a lot of crowd for Hajj Yatra. That's why most of person is lost and also injured there.
Yes, yes, yeah. In a Hajj, yeah, Hajj travel, yeah. Over
Yeah,
there,
yeah,
lots of people are going and praying for God, and we can say this place belong to in Saudi Arabia.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, this is we can say like Holy Spirit, Holy Spirit, be like a place. It's good place. If you talk
Okay.
about Muslim culture, so
Yeah,
everyone want to go over there because
yeah,
it's
yeah,
a life fame. It's like life fame. At
yeah,
least
yeah.
one time visit over there and see like what's going on over there and pray for God. So this is good thing. I mean, many people are going over there, but if you talk about in pandemic situation, so I think little bit stop over there. But after pandemic, again people are going try and do pray for God, and they fulfill a dream.
Okay, okay.
So this is also
And
part of dream.
okay, okay, okay. And bro, I have also one doubt. Bro, most of time speaking with any other, I don't get a right word in my mind, and also most of time I hesitated.
See, bro, like I'm going to tell whenever you speak in front of people, like making a video, talking with you, like present like that. So always try to speak slowly, always try to listen your voice, what I'm trying, what I'm speaking, what I'm
Yeah, yeah,
discuss in front of people. Right now you are discuss with me hesitation. So why I'm getting hesitation? Because I'm try to speak fluently, try to speak like fastly. So that's
yeah,
why I'm feeling too stuck and feeling too hesitation. But if you try slowly, maybe you heard about one of his story like turtle versus rabbit. Maybe you heard about in your
yeah,
childhood.
yes, yeah, yeah,
You know
yeah, yeah,
what
yeah.
is the
I
story?
know.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
So slow progress but better progress.
Okay, okay,
You know.
okay.
So it's very important. Try to speak slowly and like smoothly, slowly.
Okay,
This is
okay,
good
okay.
option. Automatically you will get a fluency. Automatically you will destroy your hesitation. We can
Oh, yeah, yeah. Okay, bro.
even sometimes I do hesitation myself. Like if you talk about any spelling, if you talk about any fancy word, any new topic, so definitely I will get a problem. I will feel to hesitation. I cannot explain proper and proper because I didn't learn. I didn't like study proper about topic. So we can
Yeah,
face. We get a problem about discussion. But it's okay if you
yeah,
practice, if you do study proper, like why I'm feeling too stuck, why I'm feeling
yeah,
to
yeah,
get a hesitation. If you do a study, before conversation, then you will get a fluence, you will get an idea, and you will
yeah,
never feel to hesitation in front of people.
yeah. So, okay, 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 okay. And also, bro, I think you watch movie daily, daily one movie.
Yeah,
Yeah,
brother. Nowadays
yeah.
I'm not watching, but I love watch a movie, Hollywood movie. Like
Okay,
you
okay.
see me around, I watch a Hollywood movie like 3,000 to 4,000 movie I watch.
Oh,
Yeah,
that is great, bro. Okay,
I've
okay.
been watching a Hollywood movie since like 5 to 6 year ago started. Yeah, I think. Yeah, I'm not sure about. Yes.
And bro, where did you download that movie?
Actually, I have a one of software like Popcorn application. This is a so mobile software. Okay, so I
Yeah.
go to over there, open a Popcorn application, and over there, especially Hollywood movie available. So I
Okay,
just the first thing I watch a trailer. If trailer is good, then I try to download myself.
okay, okay.
And
Is there
I'm
any
going.
charge for
Tell me.
is there any charge for that app?
No,
That
no.
software.
This is totally free of cost, brother.
Okay, okay. Please tell me that process, bro. I want to watch.
First. Yeah, actually, it's network issue, brother. Sorry for that. So I was
Okay,
telling like this is totally free of cost. If you download, definitely you will enjoy. You will learn
okay.
more and more about English language. And I'm going to share with you. Can I share, brother, about English language?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Please.
Like over there, a series like TV series.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
if you watch like few TV series, definitely your English also improve. Like one of
yeah,
Friend Circle, okay. Like, do you know Friend? This is American TV series. It's
yeah,
fantastic. Friend,
yeah,
and second one like Big Bang Theory. Third one like Family. This is
yeah,
very
yeah.
few series like family drama. They are talking
Mm.
about always like English language and what's going on, everything. So you will get the
Okay,
idea how to talk a daily routine and daily life like that about English. So you should also try it. Just
okay,
watch series, not a movie. Movie we can say like 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hours continuously one part. But if you talk about series, so
yeah.
little, like 30 minutes, 40 minutes, and definitely you will enjoy. So always I recommend just to watch the
Mm.
series. Okay.
Okay, okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay. Okay, thank you, bro.
Yeah, don't say that. Thank you, brother. We are learning each other, so we can help each other. Okay. Whatever
Okay,
you have a question, please ask me. Like, how do you practice? How do you learn? And like about topic, anything. Definitely, if I get
okay,
a answer, if I have answer, definitely I will share with you.
okay.